Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. I make beauty and makeup related stuffs on my channel, so if this is what interests you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna do my friends draw my makeup challenge look, and this is gonna be my very first look, so I'm very excited for this one. And if you are interested in it, then keep on watching. Starting off, I would be color correcting my face, and for that I'm using this MeNow contour palette, and I'm starting with this orange corrector. If you don't have a color corrector with you, you can easily use any kind of red lipstick or orange lipstick, and I am applying it on the hyperpigmentation area, also under my eyes, and also the dark marks that I have on my face. Using a damp beauty blender, I will be blending all of the color corrector evenly onto my face. So this particular beauty blender is from Nykaa, and it is a very good beauty blender. It doesn't really soak up a lot of product, but it gives a very good, beautiful, natural finish. Moving straight to the foundation, I will be using the Nykaa SKINgenius foundation in the shade 02. So this is a very natural looking foundation, and it is not really a full coverage foundation. If you are like me who doesn't really go for a full coverage foundation, you can absolutely use this. It is a daily wear foundation. Next, I would be using this dark brown shade from the palette to contour my face. As you can see, I'm using a flat brush to draw the lines, and then I would be moving on with a beauty blender. So I'm using this brush only to contour my nose as well. To set all of the cream products in place, I would be using this loose powder from MeNow, and this is the shade 02. I would be taking it with my beauty blender and apply it under my eyes. Also using a brush, I would be dusting the whole powder on my face ever so slightly. So this is the eye makeup look that I'm going to do today, and a big shout out goes to my friend Ananya, who drew the whole makeup for me. I would be starting off with this bright red shade from the palette Makeup Revolution Tammi X Tropical Collection. Then moving on, I would be using this green shade from the palette and apply it on the outer end of my eyes and slightly blending with the red shade. Make sure that you are not applying it on the entire lid, just on the outer corner. For the lower lash line, I would be starting off with this bright blue shade, and then I would be moving on with the red shade for the outer end of the lower lash line. And finally, I would be applying this golden liner on top. Initially in the picture, she wanted me to apply white liner, but I didn't really have it, so I applied my golden liner instead. And yeah, this is how the makeup turned out. It turned out so pretty. I love the color combination. I just applied a nude brown lipstick on my lips, and I just applied the same lipstick as my blush, and this is how it turned out. It is a very simple makeup, but yet very colorful. I would again like to thank my friend Ananya, who did this color combination for me. And that completes my very first look of Friends Draw My Makeup challenge, and I will be coming out with more looks very soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.